I love a high-quality face oil. They're not all created equal, but this one will work with all skin types. This is Squalane plus vitamin C rose oil, a luxurious, hydrating oil that will leave your skin visibly brighter with an instant glow. The texture is super lightweight and fast absorbing. It's also non-comedogenic, so it will never clog your pores. It leaves your skin super soft and not greasy. It works really well to prep your skin before makeup or even mixed in with your liquid foundation. Our formula has an oil-soluble form of vitamin C that works quickly to visibly brighten your skin. Vitamin C is also a great antioxidant that gives you added protection against free radicals. Chios crystal oil from Greece is an innovative ingredient which visibly firms and helps boost your skin's elasticity. And sugarcane-derived squalane oil locks in weightless moisture. The scent comes from damascus rose oil, soft and inviting, which makes your skincare routine feel more like a self-care ritual. Take a few drops, or more if you're like me and you love it, then press and massage it into your skin. This can be done both morning and night as one of the last steps in your skincare routine before sunscreen and makeup. Use it in place of moisturizer or pressed on top of your favorite moisturizer for added hydration. This oil is for you if you want soft skin with a dewy glow, have dry or dehydrated skin and want to lock in moisture all day long, or simply if you're looking for a hydrating oil with treatment benefits for brighter, glowy skin.